Her name is Lindsay Cherin, and she has performed at the White House Holiday Party, Carnegie Hall, and Madison Square Garden. We call her the little girl with the big voice. So please welcome Lindsay Cherin.
Tell me not to live, just sit in butter. Life's candy and this song's a ball of butter. Don't bring around the cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes it, spill it to me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? How much my handouts? I'll be my drum. And if I'm banned out, return at that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. Said I made it, but whether I'm the rose of shoe perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder of the shiny apple of the sky. I've gotta fight once, I've gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Oh, life is juicy, and you'll see I've gotta have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my heart to drummer. Don't bring around a crowd to lay on my parade. I'm gone.